want to tell you about the building projects that Davis School District has planned if the 2022 bond is passed. Buckle up, we have a lot of projects and not a lot of time. First, the district needs to build 2 new schools, an elementary school and a junior high. These will both be in the northwest corner of the district because cities like West Point are growing so quickly. The district also wants to use bond funding to bring existing schools up to current learning standards. 2 of our oldest schools, Bountiful Elementary and Sunset Junior High, need so many upgrades that it's actually cheaper to tear them down and build brand new. 7 other schools are on the list for major remodels or expansions. Those include Bountiful High, Clearfield High, Layton High, Kaysville Junior High, Burton Elementary, Clinton Elementary, and Bayview Elementary. The district also looks forward to installing air conditioning in 5 high school gyms and building new track and turf fields at 3 junior highs in the north, central, and south portions of the school district. Smaller projects around the district will make every cent of bond money count. Davis School District plans to address AC systems in auditoriums and gymnasiums, upgrade energy systems, update kitchens and windows, install playground equipment, and upgrade restrooms and tracks where they are needed the most. You can learn more about all of these projects on our website, dsdbond.org.